Hey everybody, this is the Vacuum Doctor, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to replace the bin trigger, which is this red part here. Now in some cases, in a lot of cases, this breaks on the V11 outsides that I've seen, but today we're going to show you how to do it on the V10, exactly the same as a V10, V11, V12, basically any Dyson you see with this. If you have a V11 outsides, a normal V11 will fit on this. You could buy one online easily from like AliExpress. But let's get into the repair right now. So to start off, we want to grab this red part here, turn it around. You see this little red button says 1, hold on to it, and this bin assembly will come off. Put your main body aside, and let's grab it from here. All we're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, something similar to this, okay? And where we want to do it, we position here. We want to start here, especially, and we want to get our flathead into that little gap and lift it up as so. So we're going to lift it up, try your best to get it into that gap. And it will come out just like so. Be gentle. Taking the other side off because there's a clip like this on the side. And we just want to wiggle it off as so. If you can, just rip it off. Okay. Now this will come out, and you see on the left side here, if we can get this to clear up, this is how it's meant to look if that falls off. Okay, so this is how it's meant to look. Now, to put it back on, so let's say we got another one, we just want to line it up. Do you see here? There's a little circle here. We want to line it up with that spring here. So if it falls out, that's fine. You're going to expect it to fall out. It's best to show you now how to put it back in if it falls out. So we want to line up that circle. Okay, there we go. And then we gently, now we want to try our best to line it up to the side. Now this might take a few tries. It might fall out. We're just going to keep trying. So I'm going to cut until I get a good position and until I get to put it back on. Like a bottom part here, line it up. Make sure you see that circle in there. We want to make sure that spring goes in there, okay? Okay, once it's in, we just want to push down. And there we go. That's pushed down. This can be a bit tricky, okay? So make sure you've done it correctly. Make sure the spring lines up. You'll know once it lines up, it feels right. We want to put it back on, line it up. And that's done. If you have any issues, anything that you can't do, leave a comment. I'll reply back very quickly. I'll reply back to all my comments. So I love helping everyone out. In the description is the tools you're going to need. So just a flathead. My email if you need any further assistance. If you need any other help, I also mod the Dyson Reddit. And leave a comment there. Happy to help you. You have any further issues, leave a comment, like I said. If not, subscribe. It's free. Leave a like, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.